How to re-upload a video on YouTube and earn money. This question often comes to the minds of many people, but not everyone can implement it effectively. Many individuals have created videos on YouTube, claiming that you can earn thousands of dollars by re-uploading videos. However, no one has explained it properly. What do you think? Is it really possible or not? Well, I can say yes, it is entirely possible. Some people simply download videos from TikTok and paste them on YouTube. However, doing this YouTube doesn't allow their channel to be monetized, okay? In today's video, I will tell you how you can actually upload TikTok videos to YouTube Shorts and make money. Trust me, this is a genuine method for re-uploading TikTok videos on YouTube. And this method is 100% free. You don't need to spend a single penny. Towards the end of the video, I will also guide you on what you should do to succeed in this niche. So, watch the video carefully. Firstly, let me show you some demo YouTube channels to guide you on the type of videos you should upload. Take a look at this YouTube channel with 2.58 million subscribers. Essentially, they only upload short videos and have not uploaded a large number of shorts. You can see they've only posted 478 shorts. They upload shorts every day, and each video receives thousands of views. Their most popular video has 122 million views, 118 million on the next one, and 111 million views on another. You can see that each of their videos gets millions of views, which is a significant number. This channel has received a total of more than 4 billion views so far, and in the last 30 days alone, it has gained 447 million views. So, you can imagine how much money they are making from YouTube. Here's an interesting fact. These videos are not originally theirs. The person behind this channel simply takes videos from TikTok and re-uploads them to YouTube. If you don't believe me, check out the credits in each of their videos. They give credit to the original video owner. You can even copy the username and search for it on TikTok to verify. All right, now the question is, how are they taking videos from TikTok and uploading them on YouTube? Let me explain. If you watch any of their videos, you'll notice that they didn't upload the video directly to YouTube. First, they download the video, then they add a voiceover and captions to keep the audience engaged. Don't worry, it's not as difficult as it may seem. Let me guide you through it. Firstly, you need to open TikTok. After entering TikTok, the first thing you need to do is decide on your niche, which means choosing a category. Then, you'll search for and upload videos related to that category. Please don't mix different types of content. If you want to go into the funny niche, consistently upload funny videos, okay? To find trending and viral videos, you should go to the Explore section, where you'll find all the trending videos. You can search for trending videos in any niche. For example, I prefer the comedy niche, so I find this video with 18 million views appealing. I'll open it, copy its link. I'll visit a website called SnapTik, a free TikTok video downloader where you can download TikTok videos without watermarks. I'll paste the video link here and simply download it. An ad might appear, but closing it will allow the video to be downloaded. Remember to save the video file with the owner's name to give credit later. Perfect. Now that we have downloaded the video, we need to re-edit it. We need to add a voiceover and captions to the video. But before the voiceover, you need to write a short script. You might wonder, what should I write in the script? I'll clear up your confusion. First, carefully watch the video to understand what's happening at the end. Then, write down everything in your notepad. The script should be long enough to fit into the video. For example, in this video, it's an art piece where beautiful artwork is being created. So, I've written a script from my perspective. I don't know how well it's written, but I tried. For the script you wrote, this child was eating food when suddenly the table transforms into a magnificent blue sky, and then some white liquid is poured onto the table. Upon looking at it, it transforms into a fog. Within a second, a spectacular flying bird is created on the desk. Here, a dish is transformed into a stunning seascape. What do you think? Is this magic? Or has a magnificent artwork truly been done here? Comment and let me know. Now that we have the script, we need to convert it into a voiceover. I'll use Elven Lab for this, as you can use it for free. The free version allows up to 10,000 characters, which is sufficient for short videos, okay? You just need to add the script here, and then choose a suitable voice. Click on Generate and download it. Perfect. Now, we need to do some minor editing. For editing, you can use the CapCut software, which you can download for free. It's available for both mobile and PC. Just open CapCut, import the video, and also import the voiceover. Add both to the timeline. Okay? Firstly, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and scale the video to fit. Then, mute the original video sound. Play the video to see if the voiceover matches the video or not. Alright, you can see that the voiceover length is slightly longer than the video. To match it, split the clip at the end of the first scene. If the clip is short, increase its speed slightly to fit with the voiceover. Perfect. Now, I'll split the second scene and increase the speed of the second clip to match the voice. Similarly, I'll adjust the speed of the last scene a bit. Perfect. Let's play.
This child was eating food when suddenly, the table transforms into a magnificent blue sky, and then some white liquid is poured onto the table. Upon looking at it, it transforms into a fog. Within a second, a spectacular flying bird is created on the desk. Here, a dish is transformed into a stunning seascape. What do you think?
Great! Our video and audio are synced properly. Now, we have some remaining voiceover. I'll add related emojis and include a pendulum animation in the emojis. Additionally, I'll add some stock footage and increase its size. Please follow me and enjoy the music. Okay, now you can choose to add background music if you'd like, but for now, I won't add any. Okay? Next, you need to add captions to this video. Just go to the text option, then choose the auto captions. Select English and hit the Create button. The caption will be added in a few seconds. Perfect. Select the caption, go to Text, choose the impact font or any other font you like. Then go to Animation. Select Captions and apply this animation. Also, increase the font size a bit. And also apply this preset. Okay, now it looks good. Now, our video is ready, you just need to export it. Okay? Let's play.
This child was eating food when suddenly, the table transforms into a magnificent blue sky, and then some white liquid is poured onto the table. Upon looking at it, it transforms into a fog. Within a second, a spectacular flying bird is created on the desk. Here, a dish is transformed into a stunning seascape. What do you think? Is this magic, or has a magnificent artwork truly been done here? Comment and let me know.
Nice! Now let's talk about how to write the title for your video. I'll upload it now. For the title, you need to write what's happening in the video. For example, I'll write magic or artwork, and add a question mark and a shocking emoji. Okay, that's our title. Now at the end of the title, you must give credit to the video owner. This is crucial, guys. You must give credit. All right, copy and paste this title into the description, and add some trending horror tags. Also, add some related tags in the tag section. Okay? This is how you should set up your video. Remember, uploading only 10 or 20 videos won't give you a boost. In the beginning, you need to upload at least 2 videos every day. Posting 2 short videos in a day is not a big deal. You can easily do it. Just be consistent, okay? So, this is the complete tutorial on how you can re-upload TikTok videos on YouTube. I hope you liked the video. If yes, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications on the latest videos. Also, don't forget to watch the video where I explain how you can start a money-making faceless channel.